Hi, in this video we are going to work on prime, the flute part on the flute, and we're going to focus on measures 11 through 16. So I'm going to walk you through everything and then we'll play it. So starting at 11, we're mezzo piano on a half note B flat, then a half note C, and then at measure 12 we move D, B flat, C, slur the 2/8 notes D to E flat, and go up to F. Hold that whole note for 4 counts. Then at 14, we have B flat, C on half notes, D, B flat, E flat, and then slur E flat, D, whole note C. Okay? So yeah, make sure that you are moving on those 8th notes. All right? And same at 15. So isolate what you think is going to give you trouble and then put it back together. My metronome is set for 151 beats per minute. It's a prime number. And I'm going to play for you 11 through 16 on the flute. 1, 2, 1, 2, 3. And that's all this video will focus on. I hope this was helpful. I would recommend pausing as you need to, going back and watching it again. And if you need to slow it down now that you know what it sounds like. And then when you're ready, join me and play along. I hope this helps, and we'll see you next time.